Replacing your home's windows is one of the smartest improvements you can make, especially in a city like Warren, where homeowners value energy efficiency, modern design, and long-term durability. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to increase your property's worth over time, window replacement offers benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. New windows can significantly boost your home's value by improving comfort, reducing energy bills, and enhancing the overall appeal of your property. Here's how window replacement can make a noticeable difference in the value of your Warren home. Improved energy efficiency that today's buyers want. Energy efficiency is one of the top priorities for homebuyers, and Warren homeowners know that Michigan's cold winters and warm summers can cause utility bills to rise quickly. Older windows often have gaps, single-pane glass, or outdated ceiling that allows heat to escape in winter and enter during summer. Modern replacement windows offer features such as double-pane or triple-pane glass low-E coatings, insulated frames, argon or krypton gas between panes, enhanced weather stripping. These improvements help maintain stable indoor temperatures, reduce strain on HVAC systems, and lower monthly energy costs. Homes with energy-efficient windows typically appraise for more and attract buyers who want long-term savings on utility bills. Enhanced curb appeal and a modern appearance. First impressions matter, especially in competitive housing markets like Warren. Outdated, worn, or damaged windows can make even a well-maintained home appear older than it is. New windows instantly refresh your home's appearance by offering clean, modern frame, enhanced symmetry, sharper lines, better color options to match your home's exterior. Whether you choose sleek vinyl windows, bold black frames, or classic white designs, new windows make your home look more inviting and well cared for. This upgrade can dramatically improve curb appeal, which often translates directly into higher offers from buyers. Increased interior comfort that adds value. Comfort is a major selling point for any home. Drafts, inconsistent temperatures, and noisy outside environments can lower a home's desirability. New windows help solve these problems and create a more enjoyable living environment. Replacement windows help reduce cold drafts during Warren's winters, hot spots in sun-facing rooms, outside noise from busy streets, moisture and humidity buildup. Buyers recognize the value of a home that feels more comfortable, and they are often willing to pay more for it. Better safety, security, and peace of mind. Older windows may not lock properly, may stick when opening, or may have weakened frames. Modern windows are designed with improved security features that homeowners appreciate. Today's replacement windows often include multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, stronger, more durable glass, secure ventilation options. These upgrades not only enhance security but also offer parents and families peace of mind, an important selling feature for Warren households. Higher resale value and a strong ROI. According to national remodeling reports, window replacement consistently delivers a strong return on investment, ROI. Many homeowners recover a significant portion of the project cost when selling, and those who aren't selling enjoy years of energy savings and comfort. In Warren, homes with modern, efficient windows often attract more buyer interest, sell faster, appraise at higher values, stand out in online listings. Because window replacement benefits both the interior and exterior, it's considered one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make before selling. A smart investment for Warren homeowners. Window replacement is much more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment that increases your home's value, comfort, and long-term performance. Whether you plan to list your home soon or simply want to enjoy the everyday benefits of new windows, this improvement can pay off in multiple ways. If you're looking to make a lasting upgrade that brings real value to your Warren home, new replacement windows may be the perfect solution.